Enthusiasm. I'm Sherpel Pansat, and today I'll be talking about learning diversity, one of the most important parts of teaching and learning. From the lesson of Ms. Lopez and Mr. Cocorba, I learned that focus modalities are different teaching methods that help students learn in ways that fit their individual styles, whether it's by doing, exploring, creating, or discussing. So, here are some examples. Meron tayong learner centers. Ang learner centers ay small classroom areas where students choose activities that match how they learn best. Second, experiments, hands-on activities that build curiosity and critical thinking. Third, role play and simulations, acting out real-life situations or practicing scenarios like earthquake drills to build understanding and confidence. Fourth is laboratories, teamwork and creativity through real experiments or digital projects. So, fifth is Q&A session, encouraging reflection and deeper thinking through discussion. Last is social media, using online platforms to creativity, express and connect lessons to real life. All these methods make learning more active, inclusive, and meaningful. So in my reflection, I realized that I learn best through interactive and hands-on activities, like experiments or group work. If I become a teacher someday, I want to use different strategies to every student feels included and inspired to learn. In my conclusion, learning diversity reminds us that education is not one size fits all. Every student is unique, and a good teacher finds a way to reach them all. That's all for today's afternoon. Once again, I am Sherpel G. Ponset, your Kabugera in Agusan. Thank you for watching!